Here's a quick tutorial to teach you how to add the Screenr videos to your blogs and wikis. The first thing you need is a blog or wiki that you can actually add the videos to, and assuming that you have that, we just go ahead and go to the Screenr site, and then you select your video, and then you'll notice you've got your embed code here. I can copy that here, hit Control-C and copy it, or I can just go to the share link, and you'll see the embed code there. When I hit copy, it'll actually copy the code to my clipboard. You can close that down. I'm going to go to a wiki. I happen to have a test wiki page on Wikispaces, so I'm going to go ahead and edit the page. And usually on all these sites, wikis and blogs, they usually have a place for you to add your HTML code. So what we would do is, in this case in Wikispaces, I just click on this media button, and as you can see, it allows me to add HTML. So I'm going to just go ahead and hit Control-V and paste the code in there, hit save, and it's being added to the page. Now let me get rid of this extra text in here. Let's go ahead and hit preview and then see what that looks like. So you can see I have my Screenr video inside my wiki page. And it works the same way if I wanted to add it to a blog. So I happen to be at the Rapid E-Learning blog. I have a temporary post. So I'm going to go ahead and just go into the body of the post and hit Control-V, and that's adding the text, the HTML code that I need for the embed. And I'm go ahead and hit the preview button. I happen to have one loaded up here, and so you can see now my delete temp the Screenr videos there as well. What's neat about this is because Screenr is free, it allows you to assign work to your students or your learners, and then have them do screencasts and then incorporate those with their blogs or wikis or whatever other social media tool that you're using. It's a great way to reinforce the learning because they have to explain something or do something. And the other side of it, it's a great way for you to really assess their understanding. So if you ask them to explain the food pyramid, for example, they could just draw it up and answer multiple choice questions. That's one thing. But if you had them actually explain it, or to go to a website like allrecipes.com and then have them to assess a recipe based on the food pyramid and do that as a screencast, it's an easier way for you to assess their real understanding rather than just doing this activity of answering questions right or wrong.